Hey guys, welcome. This is your introduction to distance learning. So I have the syllabus up, which is posted on our Google Classrooms, which hopefully you guys got an email from me and logged in. If not, then I'll be posting this on School Loop as well. So anyways, welcome. I'm in my garage. Sorry, like behind me is that's where I get super swole. So maybe I'll start pumping some iron at the end of this or something, I don't know. Anyways, let's jump into it because I don't want to make this video too long. I'm just going to go through everything that you need to know. Hopefully it is as simple as possible. Maybe I'm just over talking, but here we are. What to expect. So we're going to be using Google Classrooms, which I'm assuming most of you guys are going to be using for your other classes. So in the Google Classroom, I have different codes for each period, so make sure you guys sign in ASAP. The first thing you'll see on there is you have a Google form to fill out that will just say, ask you a couple of questions. If you have a computer, do you have internet, stuff like that. So submit that to me as soon as possible. So from Google Classroom, I'm going to be sending everything. I'll also probably be posting it on School Loop too, just to kind of remind you, but everything should be through Google Classroom. Okay, so normally you guys watch my videos at home on YouTube, and I check your notes in class to see if you've done it. So we're going to switch that. So now we're going to be using Edpuzzle for videos. So it's going to be my same videos. I'm just uploading them to Edpuzzle. And on Edpuzzle, you're going to watch the video, and then it pauses you and asks you a question. So I'll do a problem in the video, and then I'll ask you to do a problem, just like the one I just did. And so you guys need to answer all the questions and watch the full video, and then it alerts me that you watched it, and that's how I'm giving you guys credit. So make sure that you watch all the way through the Edpuzzle. I'm just going to show you real quick what Edpuzzle looks like. So this is kind of what it's going to look like, and yours might look a little different, but here's my video as normal. You can hit play. So it goes from the second. And there are these little points where when you get to it, it asks you a question. So here's an example. I just did a problem, and now it's saying, what's the area of a regular pentagon with a apothem of 5 and a side length of 10? And so you're just going to submit your answer. So type, whatever you think the answer is. You think it's, 10, and then you'll hit submit. And you just keep moving. I get that feedback to see where you guys are at. Do your best with that. You are not marked wrong for doing anything wrong. If I just see no nonsense answers, then it's kind of like whatever. So that's basically what your video portion is going to be. You'll be still getting points for that, just as you normally would. So 5 points, but this way I don't have to, you don't have to send a picture of your notes to me. I know you're doing it because this makes sure that you watch it and answer questions. You should still be writing down your notes as you normally do. Okay? Next, so worksheets. Normally we have worksheet, and you turn them in at the end of the semester. So ICs are now going to be using GoFormative. So GoFormative, you're going to actually see the same exact worksheet. So, here's a worksheet that I have. Those will be posted where you guys can print them. I'll have all those posted on my website, but they'll also be on Google Classrooms, so you can print them there. But GoFormative is going to look like this. So here's the 10.3 worksheet. This is exactly what yours is going to look like. And you can print it out, do the work, or you can do the work on a separate sheet of paper, whatever you want. And then you'll just go ahead and type your answer in. So for number 1, you'll just type your answer in. There's a little numeric keypad here, so you just do, it's 5, rad 8 is the answer, which is a no-nonsense answer because you could simplify that. And it checks your answer. So I have answers built in already. So make sure you read the instructions on how to answer. Like this one says round to the nearest 10th, or leave in radical form, so you can get the correct answer. Okay, so that's GoFormative. What I'm going to be doing, and I'll explain this later, is I'll be posting a video of me doing the worksheet, but I'm only going to do the evens to help you guys out. So the odds are on your own, and do your best. So that's how we're going to be doing our ICs. All of this is going to be through Google Classroom. So I'll sign it through Google Classroom. When you click the link to it, it might ask you to sign in. Just always sign in with your Kappa USD. Okay? All right, moving down. Next, this is how we are going to be delivering the information. Basically, I would recommend that you kind of treat your day as like a normal school day and say, all right, period 1 on Monday is at 8:30 to 9:15. So I'm going to work on whatever Mr. Smith gave me or whatever teacher gave me during that time. And then whatever you don't finish in that time is extra. The office hours is when us teachers are available. So I'll be available to email. I might just do Google Hangouts where I'll just have a Google Hangout link open and you can pop in or pop out. If you want to say hi, if you want to ask a math question, I'll probably just be presenting a board and I'll just probably be writing out and doing math problems, helping you guys out during the office hours of 1 to 2:30. So if it's not a Google Hangout, then I will be available via email or something like that where you guys can get a hold of me and I can help you if you're stuck on a worksheet or if you're stuck on anything like a concept or a question or anything like that. Okay? So that's kind of like the schedule we're going to. So basically, every day, Monday through Friday, when we have school, 1 to 2:30 would be the best time to ask questions. Obviously, I'm most likely available all the time. I'm just sitting in my garage. My kid and my wife are upstairs, staying contained in our family unit. There's my email if you want to email me. Boom. Next, I put this together because I'm going to be posting what you have to be doing each day on Google Classrooms, but I'm the type of guy where I want to see a list of what I have to do and then I want to check it off. So I made you guys a to-do list. So here's the to-do list. I hope it's not too confusing. So this right here is the first week. So starting Tuesday through Friday, this is kind of what I'm hoping to get done. Again, we'll see. So the first thing is our Google form check-in. So that's the check-in that you should do hopefully on Tuesday, the 24th. And where are you going to find that? That's going to be posted on the Google Classroom site that you'll have the link to. And then I expect that to be done on Tuesday. Okay, I actually got to change that due date. It needs to be actually Tuesday. So I need that one done right away. Okay. Then the 10.3 video. So basically the first week you're going to do a Google form. Takes a couple minutes. And then you're going to watch the Edpuzzle video for 10.3 and Edpuzzle video for 10.4. So you have 2 videos to watch on Edpuzzle. And then you have 2 worksheets to do on GoFormative. And then you have a quizzes. All that's going to be posted on Google Classrooms. But this is kind of like when I expect it to be done. So it's kind of like Monday would be 10.3. Tuesday, Wednesday would be 10.4. And then Thursday, Friday would be, the quizzes, basically. And then the following week, it's 10.5 video, worksheet, study guide, review, quizzes, and then the tests, we'll have more information on that. Okay? So that's kind of what we're going off of. Each of these little assignments are worth points, so make sure you're doing them. At the bottom here, I said students will have access to all materials. So I'm going to post everything for the week on the first day. So Tuesday morning, you will have all the stuff to do the whole first week. So you can do all this stuff right out the gate. So if you want to just do it in one day, that's fine. Don't recommend that because you might forget it. So I would kind of just pace yourself, do a little each day. And then everything's due. So it says due date is April 3rd for all these. So I'm assigning it this week. It's due by the start of next week. So at 8:30 in the morning on the following Monday, that's when I'm expecting all this to be due. Okay, if it's not, I'll email you, I'll contact you and be like, yo, what's up? But again, right here I said I recommend using the expected completion timeline to stay on target. So stay on target, Star Wars reference. Oh yeah, I did that. Little asterisk, all worksheets will have a posted video with the even problems done. Those might not be all up right away. I'll probably post those on the day that I expect you to do it. So the GoFormative worksheets, I'll be posting videos of the evens. And then study guide, I'll post all the answers to the study guide. You got to treat this as you're learning, okay? Obviously, I'm not there to watch you do it. You could just literally copy, you could Google, group check, text your friends the answers. I'd be none the wiser, but you're going to be none the smarter. So this is not here. I'm not trying to give you a whole lot. You have a whole week to watch 2 videos, do 2 worksheets and the quizzes. That's not a lot. That's very minimal. We do way more than that in class. So I understand crazy times, but yeah. So anyways, I would print that out if you have a printer at home, and then I put a column over here, done, and just you can check things off. And then on School Loop, each one of these will be posted for a point, so just check on School Loop. At the end of the week, on Monday, I'm going to go through and grade everything. And if you have it all, you should get all the points. If not, then we'll go ahead and make sure you get contact. So anyways, if you have any questions, email me. On Tuesday at 1 to 2:30, I'll probably be doing a Google Hangout. I'll post a link to the Google Hangout on our Google Classrooms. And that is it for me. So I hope that is clear. Everything makes sense. I think, let's see. The last thing is just rules and procedures. So while I'm doing any live streams or anything like that, turn your microphone and camera off once you enter. Most of it's going to be you hearing from me. There's a chat bar, so if you have a question, you can just type it in there. Don't push the present button. I'll be presenting, so I'll have my screen up presenting. If you do it, you'll take over me, so don't do that. All school rules apply, so make sure we're being respectful to everybody when we're posting or chatting. And then I'll probably be recording all of my live streams, because if you can't make it, I'm going to post them on my YouTube channel, all the videos, and I'll probably put it on Google Classrooms, because I might go over some good math questions. Someone maybe couldn't be at the live stream, but then they could go access it later. So make sure you don't say or do anything ill-advised, because you'll get caught on the video. So anyways, alright, that's it. I've already talked too far. I'm excited. I miss you guys. I should have wore a collared shirt. This is so not very professional. I look like I'm working at like a backstage at a movie or something, or a theater. Like, what are those called? Stagecraft, like a stagecraft guy. So anyways, all right, I gotta go hit the weights. So peace. We out. Email me if you have questions.